Yo, what is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. Yeah. So we're there today with Jahshii. Life lesson. Big up Jahshii. Jahshii forward from Unruly Clash. That's when a lot of people see this young talent and say, yo, bad. But at the time, he was too young to get signed and thing. But Jahshii out here now wanna do it. Jahshii finished school, Jahshii do it now. So big up yourself, Jahshii. We're gonna jump in on one and say life lessons and see what you say. Let's go, my G. Let's go. Turn up the volume on my headphone. Turn up the volume.
Take no bribe from no one to fight it single-handed. Music, a revolutionary.
Hey, can't fool me, I must be retarded. Fight me often, regardless, me not quit. Small mind can't hold on, big artists can't
Blah. Lad. Know that. The boss will take the thing. Hold on. Yo. The boss says small mind can't hold on big artists. Brother, I no joke. That's it. You have to take the music serious, my G. There is definitely a space in the scene for you, my G. Yo, big up yourself, dog. Big up yourself. Yo, we like it. Let's go.
Revolutionary. Who don't have no help and not take no bribe from no one to fight it single-handed. Music, a revolutionary.
Hey, can't fool me, I must be retarded. Fight me often, regardless, me not quit. Small mind can't hold on, big artists can't demolish a foundation, the lad build. Dog it trick, yard man could skill on me. Leave a skill a cheat, them have to crown me champ after the finale. Take my light, but my light them could disarm me. Dog me shame every motor that say we can't win. Stop it talking, nobody no perfect, yo me Jahshii. Well leave a time, Messi then kick and miss. Big up.
The man say, yo, me shame every mouth. Me shame every mouth and say me can't. Yo. We all can relate. Sometimes you want to do some things and you have an idea and you probably go to one of your brethren and say, yo, dog, you know, say, me plan to do that. And a man say, yo, nah, man, I can't do that. Stupid style, that, loud that. But you have your idea for follow through. Remember saying, no, your goal and my goal is two different goals, you know. So don't make nobody tell you say you can't, dog. Work towards it. You see it?
Small mind can't
hold on big artists.
Can't demolish a foundation, the lad build. Dog it trick, yard man could skill on me. Leave a skill a cheat. Them have to crown me champ after the finale. Take my light, but my light them could disarm me. Dog me shame every motor that say we can't win. Stop it talking, nobody no perfect, yo me Jahshii. Well leave a time, Messi then kick and miss. Big up the dog, them wear on off every man still.
Him say, only bad time, Messi them kick and miss. So that means say you're not even Messi not perfect. So Messi kick and miss same way. Even though Messi are the god of modern day football, one of the gods in the modern day football, even him sometimes kick and miss. You understand? Even him sometimes kick and miss, so he's not perfect. But at the end, he was the champ.
Well, leave a time, Messi then kick and miss. Big up the dog, them wear on off every man still. No memories, not the past where I live and still. So from a poppy cock, you know the liquor spill. Me do it from my soul and tell me I sing. Things that me live and sing. Lesson them, my lesson them. Life like to teach me to live. Growing up never easy for me. Yo, dog, believe me for real. I forgot my blessing them. Life like to teach me to live. My mind settle and I reach for the dream. Stay focused and real to the team. Can't forget my blessing them. Some mistake make but me no repeat them. Strongest soldier get the fight and never the weak fence.
The man says some mistake make but he no repeat them. Wanna get that? That deep, you know? Because remember, say them all that tell you say, yo, you can learn from your mistakes, you know. But what they not tell you say a lot is like you can learn from other people's mistake. So if me and your part, I miss you make a mistake, me can learn from the mistake there. Me not have to what even go down the road there or even try to make a mistake because the same end result me I go get more than likely. Because it is a mistake. You see me? So life lessons. Yes, dog. Yeah. Yeah. Yo, big up Jahshii, dog. Jahshii, big up yourself, G.
Can't fuck up my blessing there. Some mistake make but me no repeat them. Strongest soldier get the fight and never the weak fence. Missy bitch act as if she decent. And pagan pretend to be real friends. But me
man say missy bitch act like say she decent. Everybody knows say I get a bicycle. Everybody knows say I get a mattress. Everybody knows say yo you want more time than alright, leave her alone. Let's go.
Never make that trouble me. Mind shallow bro, them now go see deep men. Me see through them with a elite leg.
Hold on, let me say so.
Never make that trouble me. Mind shallow bro, them now go see deep men. Me see through them with a.
The mind shallow, so them now go see deep meds. The mind shallow, so them now go see deep meds. You see me? Yeah, them mind shallow, so them not get it. Bad.
Elite lens, have some live rounds ready for release them. Go on my phone, them a call for sequel. But me know in the Bible like Ezekiel. On my phone, them a call for sequel. Now go see deep men, me see through them with a elite lens. Have some live rounds ready for release them. Call my cuff, go on my phone, them a call for sequel. But me know in the Bible like Ezekiel.
Call me Cruff. No, on my phone, them a call to seek help. Remember, say I want to see one call me Cruff and put me down, you know. So this I go for the teacher them where used to teach him, and so some of my little man them used to Derron him, and some of my little member them when I'm family. I say, yo, yeah, Cruff man, you go look at work. What you talk about music? What kind of music you pre? Go look at work, you're an artist. See it there? Man, an artist. I don't want to see him when I call the man phone. The man say, yo, me not the Bible, brother. Me not Ezekiel. Me not the Bible. Wrong smaddy. Wrong number. Wrong number. Don't call this number.
Some live rounds ready for release them. Call my cuff, go on my phone, them a call for sequel. But me know in the Bible like Ezekiel. People fuck up and that me experience. Life lets it teach me to live. Growing up never easy for me. Yo, dog, believe me for real. I fuck up my blessing them. Life lets it teach me to live. My mind settle and I reach for the dream. Stay focused and real to the team. Can't fuck up my blessing them. Can't fool me, I must be retarded. Fight me often, regardless, me not quit. Small mind can't hold down big artists. Can't demolish a foundation where the lad build. Yo, the 3 card man put the skill on me. Diva skillachi, reigning champ. Crown me champ after the finale. Take me like, but me like them coulda disarm me. Shame every mouth where did I say we can't win. Stop it talking, nobody no perfect, don't be charging. Only by time I see them kick on me. Enough memories not the past, I live on still. Can't go me cast me. Do it from my soul and tell me how to sing. Things I believe on still.
Yo, this bad. Jahshii, big up herself, dog. Life lesson. A lot of people can relate. The man chat some real things tonight. The man says small mind can hold down big artists. You see me? Yeah. Nothing the man I tell you. No joke, brother. No joke. Bad track. Jahshii, big up herself. Jahshii resemble one of my cousins too, you know. Tete. Them kill Tete. Police kill Tete. Jahshii resemble Tete. You see me? So big up yourself, Jahshii. Go and do it, my fam. Go and share them. Post to them. Make them know say your world. I'm have to pay for living in that. You see me? Yeah, me G. Young artists go around them, you know. So yeah, that's how I'm gonna end that one. If you enjoy that one, please leave a like. Please subscribe around here if you're new, and don't forget to share it. Tell your friend to tell your friend. So JAMAICA'S gamer is here doing reactions. Alright? So look more up top.